different lighting and different wall colors and different spaces will change the color of the floor. When you're looking at flooring, it's really important to check the sample in all different lights. Even in your own home, you want to change it from room to room. Give it a few days, see it in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon, whenever. So this is White Oak Live Sun Natural, and we have the skylights here. So this is relatively natural lighting, so you can see the color here. And then if we put it against, maybe against this, does that look different?
Yes, I'm also taking photos so I can compare them.
You can take photos and videos at the same time?
Yeah, that button right there.
Are you serious?
I am.
Oh wow, that's cool. Should we try it against something else?
Yeah.
Even right here, so look at it there.
Okay.
And I bet over here, does it look a little different?
Oh yeah, looks darker because of the lighting.
So it's the same space, same light. You can see that's very lightier than this spot. What about right here?
Oh,
Actually,
very
different. This is a great combo, eh?
I like this.
The white oak. Yeah, me too. So, take a sample home, have a look in different lights, and
come back to it.
Come back and yeah.